Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my video. It's Goose coming at you with a recap of week 3 for the December 30 and 30 app launch on the Flux network. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, welcome back. Week 3 is super exciting. Not only have we launched the Flux Marketplace, that was actually one of the apps for this week's list. Now you can run your own Presearch node or your own Firo node. So check that out in the app section on any Flux instance. We also added WBO, which is an online whiteboard. Tosios, which is a 2D multiplayer shooter game. Devlife, another game that you can play online. Ark Survival Server, which is a cool way to connect with all your buds and play Ark. We also added the Presearch Whitepaper, and Posio, which is a cool geography quiz game that you can play. Here's what we've been up to. Check out the highlights. And that's week 3 of the Web3 experience on the Flux network. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm super excited about the Flux Marketplace. I can't wait to see all the different apps that we offer there in the future. And for right now, I just want to give a quick shout out to our developer, Little Stash, who has been working 24/7 to launch these apps for the December 30 and 30. He's putting an app out every day. So super exciting times here on the Flux network. And if you are celebrating the holidays, have a happy from all of us here at the Flux community. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.